Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make this part. Its name is Caja. It is second number part of our assembly. So let's make it. So first start Solideworks. Now click on new. We have to make part, so click on part and click on OK. Now we have to make this part in millimeter. So we go unit and click here millimeter, gram and second. Now go at sketch. We have to make this rectangle first, so we choose front plane. Now select center rectangle and create rectangle. Now give dimension to it, 90 mm and 55 mm. Okay. Now extrude it with mid plane, so we select mid plane. It is 20.5 mm, so total is 25, so click here 25. Now we have to create this wall, so we choose one option, thin feature, and give thin feature as 5 mm. Now select direction, we need inside 5 mm, so inside. Okay. Now our rectangle part is created. Now we have to make two holes on top part of it. So click on top part and click on sketch and perpendicular. Now create two circles, 1 and 2. Now give dimension to it. So this is 5 mm, this is 4 mm. This distance is 20 and this distance is 62. Now it is under defined, so we have to give some more relation to it. So center line and this coincident. Now it is fully defined, so click back. Now select extrude cut and cut it. Okay. Now two holes are cut. Now we have to make another hole at this face, so click on this face and sketch. Just remove this on normal. Make one circle. Give dimension to it. It is 7 mm diameter. This and this is 12.5 and this distance is 18.5. This and this 18.5. Extrude cut. Now this is 90 minus 1, so 90 minus 5, 85 and 86. Okay. So this is how you can make this part. So if you have any queries, so you can comment on comment box. Thank you.